everybody, and welcome to week 23 of Babies and Books. So today in our session we're going to be sharing this lovely book. It's called Wow, Said the Owl. It's a book about colours, as you can see, and it's by Tim Hopgood and it's published by Macmillan Press. But before we get on with our book and our reading, let's say hello to some of you. Okay, here we go. We've got our waving hands ready. Okay. Hello, Megan. Hello, Megan. Hello, Megan. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Theo. Hello, Theo. Hello, Theo. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Natalie. Hello, Natalie. Hello, Natalie. It's nice to have you here. Hello, everybody. And if you'd like to pop a comment in the box, if you'd like a shout out, and then I can say hello to your little ones as well. So we're going to be doing some different songs as well. We have our colours of the rainbow. So we're going to be singing the rainbow song. Okay, here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. I think we'll do that one again. Here we go. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Hooray, well done everybody. I hope you're all joining in. And one that we've sung before next, so we should all know this one. Baba Black Sheep, as we're doing about colours. Here we go. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Hooray! So another colour song that you might not know, but you'll recognise the tune. So it's to the tune of If You're Happy and You Know It. So it's all about colours and clothes. So it says, oh, we'll sing it. Let's sing. Okay, ready, let's go. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any red, put your finger on your head. If you're wearing any red, any red. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any pink, give us a little wink. If you're wearing any pink, any pink. If you're wearing any black, any black. If you're wearing any black, any black. If you're wearing any black, give yourself a pat on the back. If you're wearing any black, any black. Hooray! Well done, everybody! So here we go, and let's have a look at our story next. So, wow. Wow, said the owl. Oh, hang on, here we go. Ready. At night, when we are feeling tired and ready for bed, owls are just waking up. Owls live in a nighttime world. They have eyes that can see in the dark. But this little owl was a curious owl. Instead of staying awake all night as little owls are supposed to do, she took a long nap and woke up just before dawn. said the owl. She couldn't believe her eyes. The sky was a warm and wonderful pink. Wow, said the owl as the yellow sun shone through the morning mist. A bright yellow sunshine. Wow, said the owl as white fluffy clouds floated across the bright blue sky. Oh, there's all the fluffy clouds, look, floating along. Whoosh. Wow, said the owl when she saw that the leaves on her tree were green. Now, because this is quite a long story and little one's attention span isn't that long, I'm going to leave you on tenterhooks and I will read and finish the rest of the story next week. Sometimes if your little one's a little bit fussy, a little bit grumpy, they may not want to be read to or sit with you and read. So just sort of gauge that, and as I say, we'll just read half of the story today and half of the story next time. So also, if you haven't popped in yet to get your Book Start packs, and these are free books from the Book Start Trust, and in it is this little black and white book, because babies see black and white first and they don't actually start to see colours until they're about 8 months old. So do pop into the library branches and come and pick that up if you'd like to. We'll hope to see you soon. Take care. Hwyl fawr. Bye.